Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute ice cream bow, and this is made with a Jolif the Craft Shop's ice cream embroidered bow wrap, which is super cute. And they are, let me just get that bit of focus, £1.75 from the website. Now if you do want to buy these items from Jolif, they are embroidery, so their lead times are a little bit long at the moment. So if you are buying them, plan in advance, and you need roughly sort of anywhere between 3 to 5 weeks depending on how many you're buying it at one time, so do take that into consideration. I'm also going to be using my extended cutting pads and my extended quad Dolly Bow from Felt Better, and I'll put all the links in the description below for you. And the other thing that I'm doing today, instead of using my glitter material, I thought I would have a play around again. And I have this super pretty cord ribbon, and this is from Little Gems Ribbon and Resins. And like I said, it's cord. It looks perfect. Like I said, a perfect alternative for like a waffle print ribbon, which I haven't got, and I haven't got any waffle print glitter or canvas material. So I thought this will be cute as an alternative. So I'm going to use that through my die cut and put it through the Big Shot. And as you can see on here, I don't know how clear it is, this one has got 3 different sizes. So it's got the small, medium and large with the tails and the cuts here. So there's the middles. That's a small tail. Sorry, that's a medium tail, large tail, small dolly tails, medium dolly and the large dolly. And like I said, for this you do need the extended cutting pads, which is what I've got here. So I've got one pad at the bottom, that's going to go underneath the die. I am using the medium parts of it, so I need to put my bigger piece ribbon here, which I've cut down to size, and that will go over the medium dolly shape. And then the medium dolly tails are here, so I'm going to place that bit of ribbon over there, sandwich that with my other cutting pad here. And then I can pop that in the machine and turn the handle. There we go. If it makes any like cracking noises or creaking noises, don't be concerned. And like I said, never worry if you get all these marks on your plates. That is completely normal. It's nothing to be concerned about. That's what will happen, and you'll get more and more, and literally until your plates, you can barely see your plate from scars from the die cuts. Okay, so just going to get rid of all the waste, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause a second while I adjust my camera down so you can see me putting the rest of the bow together. But at the minute, these are the 2 pieces that we need, the medium dolly bow and the tail. Let's just put them there. Okay, I am back. So like I said, now we're going to turn these pieces into this cute bow with the topper. And what we do first, because this is ribbon instead of sort of fabric, glitter material, faux leather or canvas, we are going to heat seal the edges with the blue bit of our lighter, so we don't burn it, because we want to seal it, not burn it. So stay in that blue clear bit and go all the way around, and this will stop your edges fraying. And because we've cut it with the machine, it's nice and clean cut. You won't get this finish with hand cutting, no matter how hard you try. There's some really good hand cutters out there, but like I said, the machine still, even the best cutters in the world, it doesn't work as well as the Big Shot machines. And again, we're going to do the same on the tails in the blue bit of the flame. Use your lighter and just make sure you've got all those frayed bits. And we've heat sealed all of those edges. And you'll see like a faint, like slightly darker edge. Like I said, you don't want it burnt, you don't want that black, but if it's slightly darkened, that is perfect, because then you won't get any of those little bits like there that we just saw. And I'll just do it a couple of times just to be sure. There we go. So there's those 2 pieces done. And the other thing I do is you get a lot of little embroidery threads, so I just like to do that on the back of them just to calm them down so there's none that will hang over the edge. You can also trim them down a little bit if there's any that you can see behind. Okay, so you can trim them, or like I said, use your lighter gently on the back and just get rid of the ones that might be visible from the front. And this came uncut, and I did cut it down, and you stay really close to the edge of the embroidered edge here. You don't want to cut too close to that, obviously, or cut into it, because obviously that's when it will start to unravel. So always keep a sort of couple of millimetre edge around where the embroidery is, and I'm just going to cut that a little bit more even, because there we go, that's better. So I'm going to put a dot of glue just here. Not too much. And bring our 2 little tabs in to the centre. Watch your fingers with the glue. Okay, that's what the back looks like. And this is what the front will look like. And as you can see, we've got a little bit of a... I'm going to do that there. Okay, then we're going to put a little bit of glue across here for the tails. Don't do too much. We want it glued down, but we don't want it bulked up. Excuse me, I just put the tail on before I put my bow wrap on. One second. Tails last. That's what happens when I don't pay attention. It's okay though. Sorry, touch of glue at the front. Here. Take your wrap, layer that. You want that right on the centre, but you want it just above where your bow is, so you can see the edge here, so that your bow is not popping up above it, because like the idea is to cover the tops of the bows up with the wrap. Okay, then we can put glue across here. There we go. And I'm also going to put a touch of glue just on the edges of my bows there, just to hold the wrap round. There's one side, and then bring the other side, and like I said, I'm just going to squish those down where I put that extra bit of glue and hold for a couple of seconds so it's held nicely. There you go. That's what the front looks like. That's the back. And now we can take our tails and put our tails on the back. Press there. Press that down. Got rid of the excess glue and the glue stringers. I always hate seeing those on my bows. There you go, you can just see the little bit of the edge of the tails behind. And then I've got a 45mm clip. I'm going to glue across there and attach this to the back of our bow. And like I said, I've got a little bit of extra of the waffle cord ribbon, and I've just cut a small piece here. And again, we want to heat seal all the edges in the blue, clear a bit of the flame, so nothing frays. We don't have any issues. There we go. We're going to put a touch of glue just here and wrap this around our centre. By opening on a clip. Wrap round nice and tight. Drop a glue this side. Open that back up and clip it down. And like I said, I just double check and make sure that there's no little loose frays. There's just a couple, so I'm just gonna, okay. So can you see any, like I said, little bits, just like I said, give them another quick little heat seal. And there you go. Two super cute, super quick, ice cream topped bow wraps. Like I said, they've got a few different options as well on the Jolif website. So like I said, there's a few different bows and styles that you can do. This is just a cute idea for the ice cream versions, even though it is a little bit late in the UK for be considering ice creams now. Now we're back to our normal reign. But there you go. How cute are those? And see how quick they are as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!